Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. I am going to start by the name of Almighty Allah, who is creator of whole universe. Hey, this is Parvez. Welcome to my channel A to Z Mentor. And today I am going to share with you an excellent website called Fanjoid, by which you can make your expected intro for your YouTube channel. So before get started, I wanna request you please subscribe my channel and give me a chance to serve you forever. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, all we have to do is open up one of your favorite browser and type on search bar Fanjoid. Then search for it. Then you will be taken to this interface, and as you see, this is Fanjoid official link. Press on it. Then you should be taken to this interface, and after come on this interface, I would suggest you sign in from here. After signing, you will be able to utilize all the features of this website. Scroll down a little bit, then as you can see here, thousands of templates are available. All these templates are fully editable. You can edit for yourself anyone among them. And if you want to see more templates, then come on bottom, as you see here, more creation, press on it. After click on more creation, then you will get these option here, and this option will help you to find out which templates are available on trending, on latest and top. And also you will be able to find out your expected one by searching from here. And the more you will scroll down, the more templates will appear in front of you. It's like magic, am I right? So let me choose one of among them to customize so that I can make you understand easily which one would be perfect for me. I think this one would be perfect for me, so I'm going to customize this template. And in order to customize this template, you have to open it in clip marker. So I'm going to press on clip marker to open it. As you see, this template has been ready to customize. So before customize this template, if you want to see the preview of this template, then you can see from here. And in order to see the preview of this template, first you have to turn off this icon. Then you can play from here to see the preview of this template. So I'm satisfied with this template. I'm going to customize this one. So in order to customize this template, first you should make visible the element of this template so that you can see what is going on there on preview section. So when it is visible in front of you, keep it as it is. Then come on left side and press on the three-dot menu. Then you will get this panel. Here first I'm going to introduce to you one by one. This is project. If you wanna make new project, you can start from here and then press on again three-dot menu, and here this is a basic section. From here you can check the resolution of this template and the frame size of this template and the duration of this template. As you see, this is the duration of this template is 30 seconds. And then come on again the three-dot menu here, press on it, and you will get scene section. In this scene section, I would suggest you don't touch at all. You should leave it as it is. Then come on again the three-dot menu and press on it. Then you will get this option called object, and press on it. Then you will get this interface. In order to customize this template, this interface is very important. Whatever element are available on this template, you can change everything from this. So in my case, I'm satisfied with everything, whatever elements are available on this template except this text. So for the sake of make you understand, I'm going to change the text of this template. So in order to change this text, you have to find out in this segment where is available the text. As you can see here, the texts are available. Since this template is 3D, so you have to change the name multiple times from here. So let me change one by one. And as soon as you press on this text, then another interface will pop up in front of you. Then as you see here is written template. Just click on here and you have to change the name from here. So I'm going to give my channel's name. You can give any name you want, no problem. And sure. So after writing, then you have to hit enter from your keyboard. As you see the previous section and the changes, let me change the second one. Two. Okay, there we go. And let me change third one. There we go. So as you see, we have done with our text. And then come bottom of this interface, as you see here, even if you want to change the color of this text, you can change from here. So in my case, I'm going to leave it as it is. And also you can change the position, rotation, scale, whatever you want from this interface of this template. Okay, when you are satisfied with your customization on this template, then come again the three dot menu here and press on it. Then you will get a option called audio music, and press on it. Then if you satisfied with the music which is given by a website, then you can go ahead. Otherwise you can select from here from your PC. So in my case, I'm going to select one of my favorite music from my PC, which is here. Okay, when you are fully satisfied with your customization, then let's see the preview of our intro, how it looks like from here. Then when you are satisfied with your work, then come on again the three dot menu and come bottom of this interface. Then you will find a option called download. Press on it. Then you will get this interface here. As you see, mood section. In mood section, there are different quality are available. I would suggest you keep it to balanced. Otherwise you can keep good quality. In my case, I'm going to keep it in balanced. And then come on format section. In format section, there are two types of format available. One is WEMB, one is MKB. I would suggest you to keep MKB so that you can convert it into MP4 in order to use any kind of project. After these settings, I'm going to start render this video. So it is rendering right now. It will take a little bit time. Okay, after finish rendering, as you can see, our video has been ready to download. So I'm going to download from here right now. Then you will be taken to this interface. So as you see, our intro has been downloaded. So let's see what is output of our intro. Please let me find out where the file is located. And here is our file which we have downloaded just before, and I'm going to play it to see how is the output of our intro. As you have seen, we got an excellent output of our work. Hope you got this video useful. If yes, then I would like to request you, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Hope soon you meet with another topic. Till then, stay positive. Assalamu alaikum.